Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Ruby. She is our sweet dog who we welcomed into our family in April, and she has just brought so much joy to our family. We love her so much, and we have a lot in common. We like to go on walks, and we're both very food motivated. So today I'm going to share with you a recipe that I love making for Ruby. It's the easiest DIY dog treat recipe. She wants one. You will need 1.5 cups of rolled oats, 1 ripe banana, and 1/4 cup of peanut butter. For my dog, I buy unsweetened and unsalted peanut butter, and this is the brand that I like. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of water. Add the oats, banana, peanut butter, and water into a food processor and mix until it creates a very sticky dough. Then you'll take a piece of parchment paper and place it on your countertop and add the sticky dough onto the parchment paper. Then place another piece of parchment paper on top, and this is going to help keep the dough from sticking to your rolling pin. You'll use a rolling pin to roll out the dough until it's nice and smooth, about 1/4 inch thick. If the dough is too thin, then the cookies will overcook and become too crispy. Use any cookie cutter shape of choice you like. I'm using this little flower shape, and you're going to just cut out the shapes of your cookies in the dough and then place onto a baking sheet. I also like to bake on a piece of parchment paper for ease. You'll notice that you may have extra dough, so just roll it back into a ball and follow the same steps of covering it with parchment paper, rolling it out, and cutting out more cookie shapes so that you're using up all of your dough. Then bake in the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Avoid over baking these, which can make the cookies too hard and crispy. We want them to be soft and easy and safe for your dog to enjoy. Then, ta-da! The cutest, most delicious homemade dog treats made with simple, wholesome ingredients that my dog loves, but my kids also love them too because they're just made with oats, banana, peanut butter, and a little bit of water. Store these cookies in an airtight container in the fridge. The full recipe is on my blog to view or print at healthygrocerygirl.com, which I've added the link below in the video description box. I hope that your dog enjoys these delicious homemade treats, and I'm wishing you all a wonderful day filled with health and happiness.